Come in. Boring, 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 boring.
What is your position in your current work?
I work as a administrator or what they call sysadmin for short.
Could you please describe your job and your primary responsibilities as a sysadmin?
I am responsible for the upkeep, configuration, and reliable operation of computer systems, especially multi-user computers.
What company do you work for as of now?
I work in a telecommunication company as of now.
When did you start working for it and when did you realize that you want this kind of job?
Actually, this is my first job, and I'm already 3 years in the company. I realized that I want this job when I graduated on my course, which is IT.
What work do you do from day-to-day basis?
I make sure that the performance, upkeep, resources, and security of the computers I manage satisfy and meet the needs of the users.
Why did you pick this job?
Simply because it is my passion. I fit in here, and I know I would have a bright future in this job.